So people basically have blown a fuse called the hypothalamus, and to turn the circuit breaker back on and restore function, and this will be on the test, maybe, 5 key things you need to remember. If you take home one thing from this talk, remember the word SHINE. This is the recipe for getting people better on a physical level. S stands for sleep, H is hormonal support, I is infections, N is nutritional support and detox, and E is exercise as able. This is what we did in the double-blind study. The exercise was open for both placebo and active groups. And what you'll find, if you just use this as a checklist, you will be amazed how most of these other treatments you're going to hear about will fall into place in this organizational structure.